thanks for joining. I am going to try something new today, and that is just going to be reading the news for Tumbleweed. Right here we have the Tumbleweed review of the weeks for 2025, 19, and 20. This was came out yesterday, May 16th, 2025. During the last 2 weeks, you enjoyed a relatively steady stream of updates to your Tumbleweed installations. A total of 11 snapshots were created, but 2 of them were built and tested and were not deemed fit for usage, so they were discarded. The most relevant changes delivered in the period were Mozilla Firefox. There was 2 of them. Mozilla NSS, there's only 1. GStreamer, SDL, there was 2 releases. KDE Plasma 6.3.5, KDE Gear, KDE Frameworks, 2 Linux kernels, 6.14.5 and 6.14.6, libvirt, Meson, FW upd, I think that's firewall upd, not sure, QEMU, 10.0, PHP 8.4.7, Ruby 3.4.4, SQLite 3.49.2. The Deepen desktop was removed. That was a big security no-no done by them, and you can go to the list.opensuse.org and view more about that. Basically, this message is to inform you about the upcoming removal of Deepen desktop related packages from openSUSE factory. The reason for the step is the violation of openSUSE security and package policies and the bad security record of the Deepen packages. Go to this website right here for a detailed view, but basically they were sidestepping everything that is good for security. Yeah, remove the Deepen package if you haven't already. Yeah, it's a good thing to remove that. And there was relevant changes submitted by maintainers and currently being worked on to be integrated. Those are Boost 1.88.0, Util Linux 2.41, CMake 4. It's not yet submitted, but they need help fixing it. If you know how to do such things, go help them on the mailing list. Yeah, read through there, figure it out. I'm not a maintainer. I do not know how to fix those things, but that is a quick openSUSE Tumbleweed review of the week, and that is all. Have a good one. Please like and subscribe.